Good day, everyone. How are you today? Did you learn the lesson yesterday? I hope you learned. In today's video is all about linear equations in two variables. But before that, we have 5 words to learn. First is linear. Again, linear. Second is variables. Again, variables. Third is constant. Again, constant. Fourth is equation. Again, equation. And last is real number. Again, real number. Very good. I want you to watch this video and learn. Then right after, answer your activity. Good luck!
Let's quickly review what linear equations in two variables are. We've seen equations like 2x plus 5y equals 12 or x minus y equals 4 and so on. These are examples of linear equations in two variables. Each of the equations has two variables, x and y. But how do we generalize it? How can we define it? We can say that a linear equation in two variables is of the form ax plus by equals c, or sometimes it's also written as ax plus by plus c equals 0. Both are correct. For example, the first equation can also be written as 2x plus 5y minus 12 equals 0. For this video and the future ones in this topic, we will assume the second one to be the general equation for linear equations in two variables. Ax plus by plus c equals 0. A, b and c are constants, while x and y are variables. A is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y. This is the general form we will consider. Hold on. Are there any conditions here? Yes. First, the constants a, b and c have to be real numbers. And the second condition is interesting and I want you to listen to it carefully. Both a and b cannot be 0 together. Yes, it means at least one has to be non-zero. Can you come up with a mathematical way to write the second condition? It's interesting and a very innovative way to write it. It can be written as a squared plus b squared will not equal 0. This will imply that both cannot be 0 together. Because if both are 0, then the left-hand side will equal 0. Now let's just consider the first equation we saw. 2x plus 5y equals 12. What is the solution to this equation? The solution to a linear equation in two variables is a pair of values. One for x and the other for y, which makes both the sides of the equation equal. Can you think of x and y values here which will equate both the sides? One possibility is when x is 1 and y is 2. So we can say that x equals 1 and y equals 2 is one of the solutions to the equation 2x plus 5y equals 12. Can you tell me if x equals 3 and y equals 1 is the solution to this equation? The answer is no. If we substitute these values on the left-hand side, we get a value of 11 which is not equal to 12. So this pair of values is not a solution to this equation. Now that we have a basic idea about linear equations in two variables, we can move on to looking at pairs of linear equations in two variables.